Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Climax Tech Gallery. We are uploading cell phones and accessories related goods frequently. In this video you will find KYY Portable Monitor 15.6-inch FHD 1080p USB-C HDMI Gaming Monitor Ultra Slim IPS display with smart cover and speakers, plug and play, external monitor for laptop PC phone Mac Xbox PS4. This video will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. A 15.6-inch IPS panel with a 1920 by 1080 resolution at 60 Hz, 178-degree viewing angles, and a 1000:1 contrast ratio makes the KYY Portable Monitor a 1080p FHD monitor that displays vivid colors on the screen. The KYY monitor is ideal for multitasking, gaming, and general use because both the HDR mode and the scene mode support excellent mainstream transmission, allowing you to experience unparalleled gaming performance. Widely compatible monitor, the portable monitor is compatible with a variety of devices, including laptops, smartphones, PCs, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and Nintendo Switch, among others, thanks to its 2 USB-C ports and 1 Mini-HDMI port. No need for a driver. It had 3.5mm audio inputs. A really user-friendly design, solved the multi-wire winding issue, improved port stability. Travel monitor for laptop. This portable laptop monitor, which measures 0.3 inches and weighs 1.7 pounds, is thin, light, and portable, much like a tablet, and is suitable for traveling. It makes you more productive, gives you more screen space so you can stay organized, and lets you use your phone's screen for movies or games when you're on the go. Upgraded smart cover doubles as a stand. This more stable, foldable magnetic smart cover completely covers the screen and is made of scratch-resistant, high-quality PU leather. The cover base has 2 grooves for choosing a viewing angle that is more comfortable. Provide everything you need, in addition to a stable, foldable smart cover, 2 USB-C cables, and a Mini-HDMI to HDMI cable. KYY provides you with an ultra-slim, high-quality portable external monitor that is able to function in both landscape and portrait orientation. It has 2 built-in stereo speakers, a user-friendly menu control wheel,